My name is Jonathan Hernandez and my major is business administration.
My name is Kelvin Diaz and I'm majoring in criminal justice. As soon as I saw the field, I fell in love. I was like, I know I want to play here. Like, I stepped on the field. I felt like I knew these guys, even though I didn't. They were juniors and seniors, so they told me about Morrisville and how good of a school it is. And I just fell in love with the environment, the atmosphere, and it just felt right.
I knew it was what I wanted, and plus the diversity and culture here is what I've been looking for in the college.
I actually knew Jonathan since 4th grade, so we grew up our whole life. I played with him on every soccer team. He actually came for a visit with me, and he liked it, so we both ended up coming the next year.
I guess you could say it's good to have a friend here because you don't feel left out, and it helps you with your confidence. You're not shy to be around people, and it's just cool to have a friend here.
We all carry a legacy from our back town in Spring Valley. So yeah, it's a nice thing to have, to play with guys I played with my whole life.
My family actually owns a landscaping business, so that's what kind of drew me into choosing business as a major.
When I switched to criminal justice, it just felt like the right fit for me. I'm working with the teachers, and they're all really helpful. They help me get good grades, and they're always on top of me. After I graduate from here, I plan on going to law school, so I plan on being a lawyer.
My family defines my success here as a student athlete at Morrisville. They came over here from Guatemala, and they just came here to give me and my sister and my brother a better life. So anytime that I think, I don't want to go to class or I want to slack off, I just think about them and everything they went through to put me here. Every
time I think of slacking off or stuff, I always just think about my mom. She motivates me all the time. I always go to class. I'm okay, I don't want to go to class today. In the back of my head, I'll just think about my mom. Oh, you have to go to class. She's paying for this. I wouldn't be here without my mom. So every day I get motivated, and I become a better man every day because of my mom.
Ever since I got here as a freshman, all the experiences I had with my friends, my teammates, my coach, everyone here, meeting the new people is just something that I'm always going to carry with me and remember. Goals on the field would be, obviously get goals and assists, but as a team, I want to make the NCAA tournament and also win the conference.
I'll say growth defines my time here at SUNY Morrisville because every year I feel like I got better, in some way. If that's on the field or in the classroom. Every day I want to be better than I was yesterday, so that really defines my experience here.